Hey party people, welcome to my series, New Tool Tuesdays. These videos are designed for folks that make leather accessories. The purpose is to focus on one tool I think that will help speed your workflow and give you professional results. In this video, I will be covering the U-shape end punch. You struggle with making clean, even round corners? I know I do, so I find this tool particularly helpful and easy to use. I hope you will stick around to the end of the video as I will be showing you 2 quick projects you can do to flex your new skills and get some practice in. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I invite you to become a subscriber if you're new to the channel. If you click the notification bell, it will alert you as soon as I post. Okay, so let's get into it. End punch comes in a few different widths. I make a lot of bags, so I picked the size that I thought that I would use most often, which is 1 inch. It's a pretty good basic width. Kindly note that end punches also come in a V shape, just in case you'd like to try that. So now let me just show you the modification I make. Sometimes, depending on where I'm at in the construction process, I can only see the outside edge of the leather. To make sure I have it lined up exactly, I make a mark on the tool with a Sharpie. To do this, I measure from side to side in millimeters, then divide in half. Other brands have this plastic guard. I think they do, but I'm not sure. It kind of looks like a retainer. So what I do is I always keep this plastic guard on the tool whenever I'm not using it, and I keep it in the box. A list of tools mentioned in this video plus details can be found down below in the description box. First, I cut the strap slightly larger than the finished size. I add a 1/2 inch to the top and the bottom, and then about 1/8 of an inch to the sides. Punch one end. Then, using my scratch awl, I make 2 parallel lines from the cut. I use the plastic ruler first so that I can see it. Then, to set the other end, I find the halfway point between the 2 parallel lines and make a mark. Line up the mark on the leather with the center mark from the Sharpie. Punch the second end. Then I switch to the metal ruler and lay this along the scratch line and cut. My favorite tool for long straight cuts is a rotary cutter. Done. Okay, so now let's get some practice in. Here are 2 quick projects that you can do to get some use out of your tool. Let's make some quick earrings and a keychain. I bought this package of hooks from Amazon. A link can be found down below in the description box in case you need to find some. What's great about these is that they're an assortment of different colors. They're shiny gold, matte gold, silver, nickel, gunmetal. This little kit has everything in it. You'll also need a few extra tools, many of which can be found at your local craft store. Basically, look in the jewelry department. If you want to use the patterns I created, there's a PDF available for download. It has 8 different shapes plus all the parts you'll need for the keychain. You can download the file directly from Etsy. Need some leather scraps? Hit me up. I've got a couple bundles that I can sell you. Okay, so now let's work on the earrings. The earrings all pretty much follow the same steps. You cut out the shape, you use the U-punch as needed, then you punch a tiny hole for the earring hook, then you attach. That's it. All right, so now let's tackle the keychain. The keychain is pretty straightforward once you have all the parts assembled. All you're doing is adding all of your parts to the larger chain. You can use wire, split rings, or beaded chain. So now one thing that I did do a little bit differently with the flowers is that I followed another tutorial from somebody else's channel on how you burn them. And what I will do is I will leave a link in the description box on the video that I followed. And that's pretty much it. I just put all the pieces together, attached them, and that's it. All right, party people, so that's it for this video. As always, I thank you for watching and I thank you for rocking with me. As always, I wish you bag success and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.